I have a class right now.
Oh, great, great. Carry on. Thank you. Okay.
Cameraman, come on, come on. So, good evening. Welcome to Greens Ayurveda. So, this is our divine kitchen. See, this is our divine, the traditional way of kitchen. So, in Indian tradition, the kitchen is very important. From the kitchen only everything starts. So, Greens Ayurveda having our own traditional kitchen. So, today I am introducing you a new health drink, that is barley health drink. So here you can see, you may be familiar with Mrs. Asha. So Asha ji, how are you?
Fine. How are you, doctor?
How are you?
Yeah, welcome to the
Monsoon,
kitchen.
no? How's the monsoon?
Yeah, it's very nice.
You can see it's very what is very monsoon, very windy is there. It's, I think
It's
what
good climate.
good
now.
climate,
Yeah,
very-
you can enjoy nicely.
you enjoy to sleep
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
This is the right time. So Asha ji, what is today's this one?
Today we are going to do barley. A bar drink barley with barley and ashwagandha.
Oh,
We are
nice.
using coconut oil.
And this is not the new preparation or nothing. It is actually a barley health drink. Me and Dr. Oscar always telling regarding this one. We call it as pandemic drink. This is the barley health drink, and we always call it as pandemic drink. Why we call it as pandemic drink means this has been years before this recipe is here. But you know, we are living in a COVID pandemic era, and we always suggest whenever we are getting a call from a COVID patient, or we are getting a post-COVID patient or something, so we always suggesting this drink to the patient. So we always, me and Dr. Oscar always doing the pandemic drink for this barley health drink. So in that only you can understand the importance of this one. So it's very easy, very easy to prepare. So let's start to prepare the barley health drink.
Okay. Doctor, first I am using the coconut oil.
Asha ji, what are the ingredients for this one?
Yeah, the garlic.
Yes.
Then we are using ginger. Then we are using the pipali, long pepper, everything. Then barley. This is the barley seeds. This is our rock salt, and this is our ashwagandha powder.
So this is-
Okay.
Show this. This is
Of coconut.
Coconut.
oil. Yeah, traditional Kerala. Okay.
so just we can start this one.
So I'll just use the coconut oil. Okay. Yes.
So I think this recipe is not having the correct calculation. This much amount of this much you can use. But hopefully I think you have taken 1 teaspoon of coconut
Yes.
oil.
Okay.
1 teaspoon, right?
Yeah,
now?
one is enough. Just
For
we'll
2
roll it.
teaspoons also no problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we have to use the ginger and garlic with it. So I like to just crush it.
See this
Okay?
one. This is a traditional or what to say mixer grinder traditional. So she's using this one.
Okay. See. Okay.
So she grinded the garlic
Okay. See. I'm just putting in this. Okay.
and it's
Okay. Just I'll sort this. The coconut oil is. Oh, the flavor is very nice, doctor.
This is the one.
Okay.
So
you want to see.
you see this one. This is a special spoon, the coconut shell spoon.
Okay. I'll just crush this ginger also. Okay.
When grinding time also we are getting the smell.
Smell, not only that, you can
This
just.
is the advantage of this one. We are using the grinder, so-called mixer, and everything. Instead of using this one, we are getting the smell that time itself.
Yeah.
And one more thing, no, the cooking is not for it's not a hobby. It's like just like a exercise also. You can use this exercise.
Yeah, no need to go to gym, doctor. Yeah,
this
we
is
can
like
do in
this.
the house.
But be careful now.
Yeah.
Oh, see this one, see this one. My biceps and everything. Then daily, if you are using this one, and you will get biceps and triceps muscle will be increased.
Yeah, yes.
So
So no expensive also.
yeah,
If you go to gym, you have to pay.
we have to pay
Yeah.
monthly, no.
Yes.
So we'll get the good food and good recipe as well as we'll get a good
yes.
exercise also.
Right. So I have just sorted this and it's ready. Now I am going to use the barley powder. So what to do now? Since I can't use it directly, we had to take 2 teaspoons of barley powder, 2 or 3. Okay. Then we should add the water. So no lumps will be formed. Okay. So I am just adding the water and making it into a liquid. Okay. Okay, it will become thickened when it gets heated. Okay, see here, I'm pouring it. You can pour water according to the taste, how much you need the liquid. Okay, just half the bowl we can use it. Okay, yes.
Akif, show this one. This is barley, the white one. This is the most lightest food. Hortum vulgare, that is Graminae family, and this is the most lightest food you will get in anywhere. This is easy to digest. It will stabilize your body. And it is good for skin also. This is actually those who want to, Ashaji, those who want to increase the fairness or something, no?
Yeah,
This can be
yes,
used.
yes.
Traditionally, people are taking this one for increasing the complexion. The
Okay.
color of the skin also, this is very good. So,
Very nice.
how's
It's
that?
a good tip, no?
Yes.
So, see, it's getting thick. If you want, we had to add a little more water. No need to make it more thick, okay? Okay, just little water.
I think you people may be knowing that defense mechanism of the body. In COVID-19 or this era, nothing but we have to increase the defense mechanism. So our military, our army people should be, the body's army people, body's military should be very active. That is called as immunity. How the immunity can be increased? You people may be aware about, or you people may be knowing many things regarding immunity. According to Ayurveda, immunity is nothing but digestive fire or fire inside your body. That is known as digestive fire. Digestive fire means you know what is, by word itself you may be knowing. Digestive fire means during the digestion something or energy is helping for to digest the food particle. That is known as digestive fire. So next question, whether the digestive fire is suiting only the intestine? No, it is seen in everywhere in the body, in the minute particles of the body, that is even the cell also you can see the digestive fire. So this digestive fire is nothing but immunity. So if you increases the digestive fire inside the body, automatically your digestive fire, automatically your immunity will be increases. So this recipe, that is barley health drink, increases the digestive fire inside the body. Even I am emphasizing you, I am repeating again and again, it increases the fire inside the minute particles of the body, that is cell also. Once the digestive fire increases the body, definitely it will increases the immunity. So this recipe is nothing but it will increases the fire inside the body or digestive fire inside the body. That is nothing but increases the immunity.
So, doctor, it's getting ready, see?
Yeah,
It's little thick.
consistency also good now.
Yeah, okay, doctor. It's very nice. No? Just I'll add little ashwagandha powder. Okay?
Yeah.
Just a pinch only, I'm adding it. Okay? Just a pinch.
So, ashwagandha, see this one. This is like what to say. You know Horlicks, Boost, Complan and everything. It is just like, it's not just like, it is everything in ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is, you cannot compare with anything. So we can add now. How much should I try?
Yeah, you can, doctor.
How much, Ashaji?
Just again. Yeah, you can put according. Yeah, you can. Just half you use it.
Half, no?
That's enough.
That's enough now?
Yeah. Now I'll mix it.
So Ashaji,
it's-
first we added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil.
Yes.
So just first heat the pan.
Pan.
Just we added 1 teaspoon of
Coconut
coconut
oil,
oil
yeah.
and salt and crushed ginger and
Ginger
garlic
and garlic.
and we
Okay.
salted.
Yes.
And after that we are adding this.
No, we are adding the barley with
Oh,
water.
barley with
Yeah,
water also.
barley
Yeah, good,
powder.
good, good.
Okay, then I'll just see it's becoming little thick. It's better we can add little more water. Okay. See here, just according to the quantity we have it. Okay, just I'm adding it. You can see the lumps of ashwagandha. Doctor, you can see here. Okay, so it's better we can do it.
Okay, great.
Okay. We can drink like this
Smell also
also.
coming.
Yeah, very nice. But we can, if you need, we can add salt also.
Salt also.
Okay.
But I think little salt is good now.
Yeah,
Salt
okay.
is,
Ah.
if salt is more, that will be no taste at all.
Yeah.
If salt is less also,
Less.
there is no taste.
Yeah.
But it is actual quantity means that is good.
Good, yes.
So this is the barley drink, health drink recipe, and I think we are putting it in the description box, so you will get it there. So right now also you can take this one. So anyhow we are putting it in the description box.
Doctor, I'm adding little pepper also. I mean long pepper, pippali powder. Okay.
So this is the long pepper. People may be aware about pepper only. That is black pepper, this is long pepper. The qualities will be same only, but it is something somewhat different. You can add the Ashaji. We can add.
We can add the pepper.
Pepper also.
Yeah.
No? If a person not getting this one,
We can add the small ball pepper.
small ball pepper also.
I am using just according to the taste. We can add spice. No, it's a little spicy. No.
Yes.
So I am adding this. With that, we can add salt also. Less salt, then only it will be very tastier. Just a
So a pinch, no.
pinch of salt I am using.
I think this is a rock now. So
Rock
it is
salt,
rock
yeah,
salt.
it will
If
get
is
little time.
Powder means we can melt it very fastly.
Fastly,
So it
yeah.
will take some time.
Yes, doctor.
So beware about this one. You should not add like this as you add like powdered salt. It should be in the form of rock. So you add little only. So if you add it like powdered salt or fine salt, it will the taste
You
will
can
be.
just crush it or grind it and use it, doctor.
Okay.
It's also fine.
Great. So does this can be used in a mixer grinder
Yeah, just.
or this one? Or,
Or we can crush it just, and it's just we can put it. Okay.
oh, great.
See, it's ready. Everything, the salt, everything is the salt.
Yes.
So it's ready. Yeah, good flavor you're getting.
Yeah,
no,
good
doctor?
flavor.
Yes. See here.
The smell of garlic, ginger,
Yeah.
pepper.
It's healthier also during the season. This ginger garlic is so good.
This can be taken any time in a day, not in the morning, not in the afternoon, any time. Whenever you are free, you can take. I think it will take only 3 to 4 minutes
Yeah,
now.
that's something.
Prepare.
Yes.
If it is, and Ashaji, if it is not getting this much ingredients, available ingredients also we can
We
make
can
now.
use it,
If
yes.
it is
You can use ginger garlic plus.
ginger garlic, I think it is mandatory.
Yeah.
Ginger garlic is mandatory, and coconut oil is also mandatory.
Yes.
But if pepper means
Pepper in.
it's optional now.
Yeah, option. If you need the spice, you can use it.
Use
Or
this.
just we can get. If you
But
like a chili.
rock
you
salt
can
also
use- yeah.
optional.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
So this one, I think almost.
Yeah, it's ready now. See, you can see this is the consistency. Okay.
Ashaji, I'm eager to take this one.
Is it? Oh, I'm happy. Okay.
Just.
Just you can handle this.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
This one. Okay.
So, just. Okay.
See this one. Cheers, man. Cheers. Our cameraman is like he's always taking this one, and maybe there will be saliva inside his mouth.
Yeah.
So see this one. You'll be having a stone now.
Yeah.
You can use this one for exercise. Meantime, you can just what to say, just like this. You can sip this one. Oh, very.
How's it? Fine, doctor?
No words at all.
No,
It's
thank
very,
you.
very good. So we can take like this now.
Yeah, you can get healthier.
We can get healthy as well as we can drink this one
Have a
also.
good drink also.
So Asha ji, very thank you so much for your valuable time.
Okay, thank you.
So I just wanted to tell you the audience that this is I think only 3 to 4 minutes. Just spend 4 minutes at least in a day and make it this barley health drink to increase your digestive fire. Meantime to increase your immunity, and definitely you will get a healthy, you will get a exercise also. Thank you. We can see next video in a new recipe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.